Hello students, in the today's class we are going to talk about the salt hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of salt of stronger acid and weaker base. This is the stronger acid, hydrochloric acid. In its solution is going to react with a weaker base like ammonium hydroxide. So what is the product expected here? This is the compound form NH4Cl, the salt called ammonium chloride, and the H is reacting with OH to form H2O. So this is the best example of salt which is formed from stronger acid like hydrochloric acid and weaker base like ammonium hydroxide. So once the salt is formed, the NH4Cl, the aqueous solution of ammonium chloride, in which these are the ions formed, NH4 plus ion and Cl minus ion. We know that the solution is containing water, so when the salt is getting hydrolyzed, we will be getting H plus and OH minus. So what is happening here? The NH4 plus obtained is acting with the water H2O. This is what is known as hydrolysis of ammonium ion. So when the ammonium is in contact with the H2O, we will be getting NH4OH plus H plus. It clearly shows that the water is forming H plus and OH minus. NH4 plus is having the strong tendency to combine with OH minus. So this is having the better affinity towards the OH minus. And NH4 combines with OH to form ammonium hydroxide. So gradually the concentration of hydroxide ion decreases in this particular solution. And definitely the other part, Cl minus, is not having affinity with the H plus, because this is the conjugate base obtained from the stronger acid like hydrochloric acid, and this is the conjugate acid obtained from the weaker base like ammonium hydroxide. So this conjugate acid NH4 plus is having better affinity with the OH minus, and Cl minus is not going to combine with the H plus. So due to this reason, there will be a decrease in the concentration of OH minus. Once the concentration of OH minus is decreasing, we can say the concentration of OH is lesser and probably the concentration of H plus would be greater. Due to this, the pH of this solution would be lesser than 7. As the hydrogen ion concentration is greater, pH is less than 7, and thus this solution is acidic solution. Which solution is acidic? The solution which is obtained from the ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride solution might be acidic in its nature due to the presence of excess of H plus during the hydrolysis. Okay, now how to calculate the pH value for this particular solution? In order to calculate the pH, we should relate the hydrolysis constant as well as dissociation constant for the given salt. Consider the NH4 plus, the ion which is obtained from ammonium chloride during its hydrolysis on action with water. What is happening? We can have NH4OH and then H plus ion. So for the above given equation, we can find the hydrolysis constant KH. How do you find the KH value? KH, that is equal to the concentration of ammonium hydroxide into the concentration of H plus divided by the concentration of NH4 plus and the concentration of water. Throughout the hydrolysis, the concentration of water remains unchanged. Almost the concentration remains constant. And it can be taken as unity. And this need not be included in the calculation. So I can write KH that is equal to ammonium hydroxide concentration into H plus ion divided by NH4 plus ion. So this is the hydrolysis constant of this particular ammonium ion obtained from the salt of ammonium chloride. Now consider this weaker base NH4OH. This is the responsible base for obtaining this salt. When it is dissociated, we can have the NH4 plus ion and then OH minus ion. As this is a weak electrolyte, there is a equilibrium in between these two undissociated molecule and dissociated ions. We will try to find the value for Kb that is equal to the NH4 plus into OH minus divided by NH4OH. You take this as equation number 1 and this can be taken as equation number 2. Now multiply the equation 1 and 2. If you do so, you can have KH into KB that is equal to, I can write this equation, NH4OH into H plus divided by NH4 plus into this one, NH4 plus into OH minus divided by NH4OH. Yes, the common terms can be cancelled out here. What are all the common terms? NH4 plus and NH4 plus. NH4OH and NH4OH. Which is remaining there, the H plus and OH minus. So it clearly indicates that the product of KH and KB is equal to KW. You know what is called as KW? It's nothing but the ionic product of water, H plus and then OH minus. So for the calculation of pH, we are very much in need of KH value. This KH is multiplied by KB, we will be getting the ionic product of water. With this, we are going to continue our calculation. Okay. And to calculate the pH, the relationship is essential. KH into KB, that is equal to KW. And one more thing, according to the Ostwald's dilution law, previously we have learned that Ka that is equal to alpha square into C. And one more thing, the hydrogen ion concentration that is equal to the square root of Ka into C. Just similar to that, the hydrolysis constant KH that is equal to degree of hydrolysis into concentration, and H plus would be equal to the square root of KH into C. So by using these two relationships, how to calculate the hydrogen ion concentration? I am writing this as equation number 1 and this can be taken as equation number 2. Now from the equation number 2, what is KH? The KH that is equal to KW by KB. This can be taken as equation number 3. Now substitute equation number 3 in equation number 1 in this equation. So the hydrogen plus ion concentration that is equal to the square root of, instead of KH, we can write Kw by Kb into C. This is rewritten as follows. The hydrogen plus, that is equal to Kw divided by Kb into C, the whole power half. So this expression is useful to calculate the pH. Yes, I can write pH, that is equal to minus logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Use this expression. pH, that is equal to minus logarithm of this one. We can write Kw divided by Kb into C, the whole power half. We know and the value for Kw, ionic product of water, it is 10 power minus 14. So on using that, pH, that is equal to minus logarithm of 10 power minus 14 divided by Kb into C, the whole power half, I can write. And this is expanded as follows. pH, that is equal to, and I am writing it as minus log of 10 power minus 14 plus, this minus is taken out of the bracket and we are opening a bracket, and inside the bracket we can have log 10 power minus 14 plus log C, and both things are having the power half, and this can be written as follows: minus log Kb power half, because Kb is in the denominator. Now the same is written as follows: pH, that is equal to, I have minus 14 into half, that might be written as follows: log of 10 power minus 7, and this is half into log C, and this is written as follows: minus half into log Kb, and this is written as follows: pH, that is equal to, minus is kept as such, and this is written as follows: minus 7 into log 10 plus half of log C minus half of log Kb. Okay, and this can be continued as follows. The pH, that is equal to minus into minus 7 log 10 plus half log C minus log Kb. Here I can continue. pH, that is equal to minus into 7, minus 7 into log 10 plus half of log C minus half of log Ka. The same I have written here. Now this is rewritten as follows: minus 7 into log of 10 is 1 plus half into log C. We know minus log of Kb, I'm sorry, this is Kb, minus log of Kb is nothing but Pkb. So this term minus log of Kb is written as Pkb. Now the minus sign is taken into the bracket. Minus into minus plus 7 plus minus into plus, it becomes minus half into log C minus into plus, again minus half into Pkb, which means pH is equal to 7 minus half of log C minus half of Pkb we are obtaining. It shows that pH of the solution is less than 7. It is a proof for that. The salt which is obtained from the stronger acid like hydrochloric acid and weaker base like ammonium hydroxide. These two are giving a salt. It is nothing but ammonium chloride. During its hydrolysis, the resulting solution is acidic in nature. Because this is the best proof for that, pH value is less than 7, and in this way the pH of the solution can be calculated. Is it clear?